downtime, carryback, and wasted product. Each of these can sink your business if you don't keep them in check. At Flexco, we're on a mission to keep your belts clean and your conveyors moving. Hi, I'm Jonathan Morgan, and we are pleased to announce the addition of the FGP-C, the food-grade primary cleaner for cleated belts, to Flexco's line of light-duty food-grade belt cleaners. The FGP-C is a first-of-its-kind belt cleaner designed specifically to work on cleated belts. With components made from FDA-approved food-grade materials, the FGP-C is easy to clean and sanitize, reducing downtime in your operation. As the curved food-grade UHMW blade contacts the cleat, the blade bar rotates, allowing the blade to follow the path of the cleat. Once the cleat is past the blade returns to its original position without damaging the belt. This process ensures that the blade is always in contact with and always cleaning your belt, making the FGP-C perfect for beef, pork, and poultry applications. The FGP-C also features external springs made from food-grade stainless steel that can be sanitized without disassembly. These springs have a simple tightening mechanism that lets users easily adjust the torque of the blade on the belt, further enhancing cleaner performance and limiting buildup of food and bacteria. The FGP-C was created with convenience in mind. If maintenance personnel need to sanitize the cleaner or replace the blade, disassembly is not required. However, if disassembly is desired, simply pop the blade off the bar holder, loosen the swing arm nuts, and slide the blade bar out of the swing arms. This will allow the blade to slide out from the swing arms with minimal effort. Reassembly is as easy as inserting the blade bar in the marked locations, tightening the swing arms, and snapping the blade back onto the blade holder bar. This made-to-order cleaner is designed to fit belts from 6 to 36 inches wide. The FGP-C can be outfitted with a blue or white UHMW blade or a blue Metal Detectable blade. For applications using a cleated belt, the food-grade primary cleaner for cleated belts is the ideal solution. Reduce carryback, minimize downtime, and keep your conveyor system running longer by choosing the FGP-C. For more information, visit flexco.com.